dear friends. I'm Venerable Kapil Lama. I'm junior student from Humanities faculty. I'm here to talk to you about Buddhist way for the peace of mind. Pavasaramidam bhikkhave cittang tanjako upakilisehi upakilitham. Lord Buddha has said, our mind is pure like water, right? Our mind is pure like water. Our mind is radiant like water, originally. But outside defilements make our mind disturbed, impure, and worried. So, let me ask you a question. Do you like pure water or impure water? Answer me. Pure water, right? Yes. We all want pure water. At the same time, we all want peace of mind. But oftenly, we fail to achieve it because we worry ourselves. For example, I'm worried that if I lose this contest, what my friends will think of me. I think you may have the same worry in your mind, right? This, our mind, endlessly circled around this everything which can be possibly go wrong. Even we achieve something or we solve the problem, we start to worry about next thing in our life. It feels like our worries never will change. We tend to blindly follow this way of thinking, which this way of thinking, even if it's unhelpful or even if it is make us miserable, but tranquility and anxiety both come from our mind. We have to realize that. To overcome the anxiety, we have to build up our self-attitude, which is based on realistic and which is much more far-sighted outlook. This is where Buddha said, guard your mind. If we can guard our mind, cittang dantan sukhavam. If we can guard our mind, if we can make self-attitude, we can overcome the anxiety and we can find peace in our mind. So I will let you know 3 facts how we can build up this self-attitude. The first one, number 1, is interdependence. It's not all about me. Everything arises from many causes and conditions. We can't blame just of one person, just because even we can't blame ourselves. The second one is impermanence. Sooner or later, everything will have to change. So we have to understand impermanence about the world, ourselves, our mind. So third one is compassionate. We are not alone in this world. On this earth, every human being has problems. Not me, not you, everyone in the world. So we have to love ourselves first, and we have to spread our love to others. We can just do 5-minute meditation. We can just think, may I be happy, be peaceful, or we can spread, may all the beings be happy, be peaceful, like this. So people make comments like, I will have peace of mind if I have enough money, or I will have peace of mind if I have right job, or I will have peace of mind if I have more and more friends. But peace of mind is in your mind. You cannot go out and find the peace of mind. Even you cannot buy it money. You have to find it ourselves. If you want peace of mind, change your way of thinking. Don't waste your day approaching that with what you don't have, but approaching what do you have. And also change your mind your mind to the compassionate and like a pure water in a lake, it will become pure when time goes. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. And now, the contestants are already finished.